What is that?
Sound.
And the dude was an accountant. Maybe she stabbed him because he's boring. It's a horrible tragedy all the way around. Swartz said, it's a tragedy for the victim and his family. It's a tragedy for my client and her family. Yeah, well, it's certainly a tragedy. But high potency marijuana should put you in a place where you're terrified of everything. You just want to
exactly.
Not that you have the ability to grab a knife and stab a guy 108 times. That sounds nuts. That sounds so nuts.
It said in September they'd got the murder charge dropped to involuntary manslaughter after it was determined she lost her cognitive abilities because she was in the throes of psychosis.
Yeah, maybe. But I mean, I just don't think that absolves you of responsibility.